Okay, here we go. Day 2 of the storm. I shoveled my porch about 10 minutes ago, and now there's already a half-inch of snow on it. So here we go. I'm going to try to go down the stairs. I hope I don't fall down. I'd fall down on the video. That would be awful. Okay, here's where we were yesterday. The snow is almost up to my knees today. It's crazy out here. There's a layer of ice. The snow is real soft on the top, and then there's a layer of ice, and then there's more soft snow underneath that. It's just coming down like crazy. The trees are so beautiful. Brr. It's amazing. We hardly ever get this kind of snow here in the Willamette Valley. It's very cool. It's so pretty. That biggest tree is that big cedar tree in my yard. It's like 120 feet, 130 feet tall. It's a huge cedar tree, a red cedar tree. Getting cold. Have to go in. It's supposed to snow 8 more inches right here where I'm standing. It's like you can see it's all the way up my leg. I need some little kids. We could build a big snowman.